Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to prepare Sorakaya Kootu. It is also called as bottle gourd. I have taken about 3 bottle gourd of this size, 2 chopped onions, 1 cup of grated coconut, green chilies about 8 to 10, 1 cup of pesala pappu. It is also called as moong dal, asafoetida, urad dal, mustard seeds and cumin seeds for seasoning, curry leaves and coriander leaves for garnishing, turmeric powder. Now I have already cut this bottle gourd into small cubes. I'll just show you the way you have to cut. This is how you need to cut the bottle gourd. So totally I have taken 3 bottle gourd of this size. Now I'm going to wash this pesal pappu, the moong dal, and soak it for 10 minutes in water. Now let's get started. Now let's prepare the Sorakaya Kootu. I'm adding about 3 tablespoons of oil into the cooker. Once the oil is hot, add the mustard seeds, the urad dal and the cumin seeds. Let it splutter. The color of the urad dal has become light brown, and I want to add the chopped onions, the green chilies and the curry leaves. I'm going to add a little salt for the onions to fry a little faster. Half a spoon of asafoetida, at this stage I'm going to add the turmeric powder, give it a quick stir. I'm going to add the bottle gourd, just cut into pieces. I'll give it a nice mix. This kootu is mostly prepared by the South Indians and it's very tasty. Well, at this stage I'm going to add the soaked pesala pappu, moong dal, into the vegetable. Mix it well. The salt and sufficient water for cooking. Maybe about 1 small glass of water would do. Mix it well. Check for the salt. Close the lid and leave the cooker for 3 whistles to cook. Now let's check whether the bottle gourd is cooked. sometimes neglect eating bottle gourd, but it is very rich in water content. It is having around 92% of water content in it. It is the most neglected vegetable. It is also very rich in vitamins like vitamin C, vitamin K. So you to try this recipe at home. You will definitely love the taste. Now this is how it looks, but you have a little water content in it. So let us put it on a high flame and reduce the water a little. Now the bottle gourd curry is ready for serving. Before I remove the dish into the bowl, I'm going to add the grated coconut, the fresh coconut, into the vegetable. Give it a quick mix. It's a very tasty dish. You can have this with chapatis, rotis and rice. Add a little bit of coriander for garnishing. And let's serve it in a bowl. The sorakai koot is ready to serve. It is a very good remedy for controlling the hypertension and blood sugars and keeps away your bad cholesterol. Please try it at your homes. Try the recipe and leave your comments and subscribe my channel.